Good afternoon, my name is Jakub Lisowski. I'm one of the London School of Emerging Technology student, currently on the course Automation Software Tester, Selenium and Java. So today I want to talk about abstract classes and interfaces in Java. Let's start from an abstract class. So first, what is an abstraction? Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. So what is an abstract class? This is a class which is declared with an abstract keyword. So there is an example. Known as an abstract class in Java, it can have abstract and non-abstract methods. Methods with the body example. So it was an example of an abstract class, how to create an abstract class. And when I said that you can have abstract and non-abstract methods, what makes an abstract class to be abstract? It has to have at least one abstract method, and this is it. We can use non-abstract methods as well. It is a restricted class that cannot be used to create objects. To access it, it must be inherited from another class. So, interface. Interface specifies the behavior of a class by providing an abstract type. As one of Java's core concepts, abstraction, polymorphism, and multiple inheritance are supported through this technology. Interfaces are used in Java to achieve abstraction. By using the implements keyword, a Java class can implement an interface. Example. So here we have an example of a normal class and then implementation of a interface. One more thing, as we know, classes can only extend one class. With interfaces, we can implement multiple of them. So yeah, in general terms, an interface can be defined as a container that stores the signatures of the methods to be implemented in the code segment. It improves the levels of abstraction. So what are the differences between two of them? So abstract classes can have constructor and instance variables, can have both abstract and non-abstract methods, as I said before, can be extended using the extends keyword. So yeah, because it's still a class, so it can extend. Used when there is a common functionality to be shared among subclasses. Interfaces cannot have constructors or instance variables except constants, can only have abstract methods and constants, can be implemented using the implements keyword, used when multiple unrelated classes need to share a common behavior. When to use an abstract class and interfaces. So for abstract classes, use when you want to provide a common implementation for a group of related classes, or use when you want to provide default behavior that subclasses can override. Interfaces, use when you want to define a contract that multiple unrelated classes can fulfill. Use when you want to achieve a form of multiple inheritance. So this is it. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day.